OLX is a leading online classifieds platform, allowing users to post ads for free. With millions of users globally, OLX exemplifies simplicity in buying and selling. Its user-friendly features and high engagement levels are key aspects to consider when building a similar website. To create a website like OLX, start with thorough market research. Understanding your target audience's demographics and behavior is crucial. Analyze competitors, including OLX, to identify their strengths and weaknesses. This foundational knowledge will guide the development of a successful platform. OLX's success lies in its user-friendly interface and diverse product listings. Its simple navigation and search options enhance user experience. Additionally, OLX's mobile-optimized design ensures seamless access for smartphone users, a critical feature in today's digital landscape. When building a website like OLX, focus on essential features that enhance user experience. Implement user registration, advanced search options, and secure payment systems. These elements are vital for attracting users and facilitating smooth transactions on your platform. Selecting the right technology stack is crucial. For the front end, consider HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks like React or Angular. For the back end, options like Node.js or Python with Django are effective. Choose a database that suits your data structure needs, whether SQL or NoSQL. A great user experience is essential for retaining visitors. Ensure your website is mobile responsive, as over 50% of internet traffic comes from mobile devices. Use clear navigation, consistent branding, and accessible design to create a user-friendly platform that encourages engagement. The development process involves setting up a coding environment, building the front end and back end, and integrating APIs. Use version control systems like Git for collaboration. Regular testing and debugging are crucial to ensure a seamless user experience and a robust platform. Before launching, conduct usability testing and optimize performance. Develop marketing strategies to create buzz, such as social media campaigns and influencer partnerships. Ensure technical support is ready to handle any issues post-launch, and set up analytics tools to monitor user behavior. To grow your platform, implement effective SEO strategies and engage users through social media. Consider pay-per-click advertising and content marketing to build a community. Regularly update your platform based on user feedback to maintain relevance and competitiveness in the market.